Cubbies. Are you ready to talk to Cubby Bear tonight? Let's call him. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Cubby! Well, hi, Cubby. You seem excited as usual.
I am. I met 2 new friends today.
That's wonderful.
Timothy and I were playing on the playground on Apple Acres Farm. We swung on the swings, slid down the slides, and climbed on the big cruise ship.
Ooh, that sounds like so much fun.
It was. While we were sliding on the slide, 2 girls came to play.
Oh, what were their names?
Hannah and Charlotte. They both liked our blue vests.
Well, they do look really nice.
Hannah asked why there was an A on our vests, so Timothy told them.
Do you remember what the A stands for on your Cubby vest? The A stands for all, just like Romans 3:23. All have sinned and fall short of the glory of God.
Charlotte noticed the big C on our vest next to the A, and Timothy remembered what he learned in Cubbies and told them all about the C.
The C on the vest stands for Christ. Do you remember Romans 5:8, which says, while we were still sinners, Christ died for us?
Hannah and Charlotte really wanted blue vests like ours, so Timothy invited them to come to Cubbies with us.
Oh, that's wonderful, Cubby. Did the girls' parents say that they could come to Cubbies with you and Timothy?
Oops, I forgot to find out. I'm going to go right now and ask Timothy if Hannah and Charlotte can come to Cubbies with us. Goodbye, boys and girls.
Cubbies. Timothy used his vest to share the good news with Hannah and Charlotte. We're going to learn more about that through our story time. I can't wait.